class. So today we are going to begin drawing our scarab beetle. You have a 12-inch by 12-inch piece of black paper, and you're going to be using either a gold or a silver Sharpie marker. Sharpie is permanent, so just be careful not to draw on yourself or on any other surface besides your black paper. Now, because it's permanent, it also means you can't erase. So if you do make a mistake, don't you worry. There's going to be so much decoration that you're going to be doing to the scarab beetle after that you'll probably have an opportunity to draw on top of any mistake you make. Don't forget, you want to use the full surface. So when we draw, really pay attention to where I am drawing my shapes, so that way you can not have a super duper tiny piece of art in the middle of your page. So I'm going to go ahead and begin. I'm going to start by folding my paper in half. This is just going to give me an idea of where everything should go. So I'm folding my paper in half, and I'm going to start by putting a circle towards the top. I'm not going to go all the way to the top. I'm going to come a little further down. Maybe from here to here is about where my circle is going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw my circle. Notice, is my circle a perfect circle? No way. I'm not going to worry so much about it. Then I'm going to do a rainbow shape that is going to touch the bottom of my circle. Notice how it's touching the bottom of my circle. And then I'm going to do a larger rainbow shape that's a little wider, and it's going to kind of make this part complete. So watch me. I'm going to start here. I'm going to come up and over, and then I'm going to complete it and make it's almost like a rounded rectangle, right? Then we're going to make the letter U nice and small, and a line going down to, we're not going to go all the way to the bottom. This is going to be kind of where the back of the beetle is going to be. So we're going to give it some room because we are going to have something else going on the bottom here. Okay, next up, we're going to put kind of these little decorations in here. You can choose to do those, you can choose not to do them. It's completely up to you. And now I'm going to go ahead and kind of make my wings. So this is fun. I'm going to come out to the side and I'm going to bring it in, and I'm going to touch the bottom here. And then notice how I went to where it rounded off. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to come out, and then I'm going to come in and meet it. It's not perfect, okay? It's not the same on both sides, but I tried my best to get it symmetrical. Now I'm going to do the area which is going to be where my wings are. So here, I'm going to come down. It's kind of like the letter C, right? And then on the other side, the same thing, but backwards. And notice this is where I'm actually almost touching the bottom. Great. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to connect this part of my beetle with the top circle by doing a letter C. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but a backwards letter C, almost like the letter D here. Great. Now we're going to do a little bit of decoration. I'm going to do kind of pointy lines. You can do rounded lines, okay? And I'm going to come up here. I'm going to do the same on this side, kind of like a zigzag. And then I'm going to do the same here. Kind of look like sharp little legs almost. Excellent. And now we're going to connect them. So from the top of the head, I'm going to go ahead and give myself a little point, a little point. So from right down here and right down here, this is going to come up and come out and connect. And they're almost going to look like wings. Okay, so I'm going to come out here, go almost all the way, come up and over and around. Notice how I'm really taking up that space. I'm almost touching the edge of my paper here. Now I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to come up, almost going to touch the edge of my paper, and I'm going to come down. This ended up being a little bigger, but you know what? I like it just how it is. And then I think I'm going to complete it off with the bottom of my scarab beetle there. I'm going to put my name on here just so we can keep track of whose is whose. You guys are gonna, though, put your name on the back of your artwork. Look how beautiful that silver looks on the black paper. Isn't that so nice? All right. Next video is gonna be how we're gonna be decorating, and you're gonna have a lot of choice on how you wanna decorate your scarab beetle.